How you doing, folks? I need some help. I have some body alignment issues with this Beetle, and I need to try and get to the bottom of it. And I'm looking for some advice. So if you can let me know in the comment section below, I'd really appreciate it. The absolute clown that did the bodywork for me replaced some parts of the structure around here. So it was the heater channel from the forward part of the A pillar here over to here. The one side of the Napoleon's hat here was replaced. The inner wing was replaced, and there was various bits of patchwork done around there as well. Okay, but the A pillar itself is the A pillar that was in the car before the bodywork was done. That should still be in the correct location. However, the door positioning is wrong because the door will not close properly. Now, if I have the door like this and I go to try and close it, you can see the way that alignment is. It's miles off, okay? So the door is actually dropping, and then you can see down here, it's not like there's a huge gap down the bottom. So it's like the back part of the car is just pushed up too much. Now, it will close if you slam it, because it pushes in on the striker plate, okay? But the gap is terrible. I mean, look at it, it's down to literally nothing down the bottom there, you know? And look at this, there's cracking going on and everything there in the paint. Yeah, I mean, that all needs to be addressed. Now, the body was taken off the car, and one of the things I do know is that the mounts that are supposed to be flexible mounts in behind the wheels here are actually bolted solidly. So you can actually see there, that's actually just bolted down solidly to the chassis. I don't know whether that would be causing an issue in itself or not, but it's done on both sides. That's one thing. The other thing as well is that nothing was jigged when it was all taken apart. So yeah, I mean, I really don't know what to do about it, because to me there's actually I have safety concerns about this. I have visions of this car absolutely disintegrating if I was ever in a crash in it, to be honest with you, and that's not good enough if I've got my children in it, or my wife, or myself even, you know. And I don't know, like, I mean, how bad things are, but you know, you can see down here, like the A pillar down here, the paint is all cracking. I mean, that's just, I don't know what is going on there at all. You start getting into the problems I have with this car, you know. I mean, and I like, as I said, I'm kind of at the point where, is there anything I can do myself at all to fix this, or do I need to get it to a specialist? If you guys can think of anything that I can do, like if it's a case of unbolting the floor pans from the heater channels underneath, and trying to kind of jig things and move things around a little bit with pry bars and all that kind of stuff, I'll happily try that kind of stuff. But if it's a case where there's going to be a huge amount of cutting and welding required in order to actually put this mess right, then that may be something I have to consider. But also, if you can recommend anybody who would actually do the work for me and do it properly, now, not some bodge artist who said, oh yeah, I have all the gear, I can do it, and they're making absolute balls of it the way the last guy did. Please let me go. Please let me know. I'm looking for your comments here. I'm looking for your help, because it's a mess, and yeah, I really could use the help. So listen, thanks for watching, folks. Thanks for reaching out to me and commenting down below if you do, or even thanks just for watching. So talk to you soon.